And just use the typewriter tool to add your text. It has to be selected, and then you can change the fonts, whatever you would like, and the font size, and even the font color. This template has a very specific purple, so I'm going to go ahead and put in the code for that purple. You can copy it if you wish. Now let's take a look at it. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now just go ahead and add any other text that you would like, and change the fonts accordingly. These two fonts I have included in the download for the template. They're just Google fonts. You can get them online. They're free fonts. Alex Brush, and I don't know how to pronounce the one that I'm currently using, Monteserrat. So you can use the alignment tools to get all these straightened out. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's try that again. So there's left align, and then there is an evenly distribute tool, but you have to kind of get everything close to where you want it, and then you can select it all and use evenly distribute vertically. There we go. Using the keys on the keyboard. This template's designed for a computer, so that shouldn't be any problem. You should have this open on a computer. That would probably drive a person crazy to try to do all this on a mobile phone. You just click Image Annotation under the Home tab there to add an image. This is one of the things that makes Foxit a little bit better than everybody else, because you can add your images anywhere you like, kind of resize them, and it's just a really nice feature. So let's make just a few more quick adjustments here. We're almost done. I want to show you how to use the guides. So you just pull the guides down out of the rulers. If you don't see how to do that, if you don't see the rulers, use the linked instructions. There's only like 6 or 7 topics addressed in the instructions, and seeing the guides and alignment tools is one of those topics. So just use the linked instructions, and the template will be linked also.